welcome guys. Today I'm going to share with you things that you need to take note of, especially when you are trading on peer-to-peer market. But before I go on that, I'm going to show you how to trade on peer-to-peer market first. So click on the P2P trading once you launch your mobile app. Okay, so if I click on this is home tab for it, then you have your orders here. So if I click on this, it will load some of the orders I've completed. But the way the app works is that all the transactions that you've made so far, it will reflect here. That is, if you've been trading on peer-to-peer for quite a number of time now. Okay, so these are the guys I've transacted with so far, their user ID and stuff like that. Everything is here. Okay, so now if you want to buy on the peer-to-peer market, all you need to do is to click on peer-to-peer on the home tab, the home page. So come here and say, okay, you want to buy. So these ones are limited trades because except you have up to 0.1%, sorry, up to 0.1 Bitcoin on the platform, you cannot be able to trade with these guys. Okay, this one says anything that is less than 1 Bitcoin, he doesn't want to trade with that person. That's his limitation. Okay, so this guy doesn't have any limits. Let me see. So we are eligible to buy from these guys. He has only made one trade so far, and he has made 100% completed trade. So this guy decider, he has made 1,203 trades so far, and he's got 99.83% completion. Okay, so this is the kind of guy that you want to buy from, because this guy is obviously one of the top guys in the peer-to-peer market. He's trading heavily, and that has reflected in the number of completed trades that he has done in a couple of months. So you want to click on buy. That is, if you are not buying more than 128.30 quantity of USDT, because if you are buying more than that, this guy will not be able to sell to you, because what you are buying is more than what he's got for as offer. So this guy Diamond Boy 100 is a confirmed trader. He's made over 1,000 trades also with 7.73% completion. So if you are looking for an opportunity to buy more than 128 USDT, you probably want to buy up to 450 USDT worth of crypto, then you can click on this guy's order. Okay, so but for the sake of this demonstration, this guy that is called Cider, it appears legit, so I'm going to click on his order. So I'm going to click on buy. Let's say I want to buy all. Oh, what's happening? Then definitely I don't think you can buy from this guy. Okay, his minimum is 65,000 naira. So if that is the case, his maximum is that amount. Okay, if that is the case, it means that someone else already bought from this guy. Okay, obviously. So only you can buy from Diamond Boy. If you click on Diamond Boy now, so we're going to click on buy. So when you click on buy, let's assume we want to buy all. Okay, so then I'm going to click on buy USDT. Okay, so once I click on that, is details are right here. Okay, so I'm buying 466.65 USDT from him at the rate of 506.75 naira per dollar. Then the total amount I'm paying to him is 236,479.95 naira. Okay, so if I want to continue with that transaction, they definitely want to use the bank method. Let me click on that again. So you come here, it is asking for payment method. Okay, so then you click on bank. Okay, so this guy is using Kuda Bank. This is his bank name, which is account name Oluwafemi Oreoluwa Adekiitan. That's his name. So what you want to do now, okay, is to copy his account number by clicking on this. Then also you can copy his account name, okay, then the name of his bank, there is no point copy, there is no need to copy that. Then if you want to know this guy's terms, his terms of trade, this is it. He said, please read before opening or paying for trade. Please guys, make sure that you read the terms of the trader that you are transacting with. It is quite important. It is for convenience of the two parties. Okay, so he said your bank account must match your Binance name. So if you're not going to send money with a name that reflects on Binance, don't transact with this guy. All right, no ATM transfers, that is clear enough. No quick teller transfer, no Standard Chartered Bank transfer. So if you want to use Standard Chartered Bank, then this guy is not someone you can deal with. All right, so then you have to upload valid proof of payment, like a screenshot that you've actually paid this guy. Okay, the company account must provide form CAC7. It must match with your Binance account. That is, if you are sending money through your company account, so you have to provide that form CAC7 to that guy, otherwise he's not going to release the money to you. Okay, use your username for transfer description. Okay, if your username is Content King, use Content King as description or transaction memo. Okay, so no crypto-related words. You should not add the word Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or what have you in that transaction memo. Then enjoy your trading. So these are these guys and terms, and you have to take note of it. So assuming I want to buy from this guy now, I have about 40 minutes to do so. Otherwise, this transaction will be cancelled automatically. So you have to be fast with it. So what I'm going to do now is to come here and launch my mobile app. So if I'm dealing with this guy, so I will unlock the mobile app. Okay, I'm not using Standard Chartered Bank, so I can easily transact with this guy. All right, so this is launched. So what I'm going to be doing now is that if I want to send money to this guy, I'll just come here. Okay, click on transfer. Okay, I'll click on transfer. Then it says to other banks. Obviously, this guy is using Kuda Bank, so I'm going to come here and find Kuda Bank. So once I'm done with that, I'll come back to this point and copy his account number. I'll paste it here. So when I paste it here, I expect that his name will be displayed exactly the way it is on Binance. Okay, so how much am I going to send to him? I can just copy it from here. Okay, I don't need to memorize anything. I'll just paste it here. That's for the amount I want to send to him. So my Binance username is Content King. So I'm going to come here and type Content. Okay, Content King, so that this guy will know that this transaction is coming from me. Okay, so the moment I input my PIN, let's assume my PIN is this, then I click on continue, definitely the money will go to this guy's account. So once the money gets to his account, I'll just take a screenshot of the transaction. Okay, so let's assume that, because I'm not going to buy from this guy now, I have tons of USDT for sale also. So I'm going to click on transaction history. Okay, and I just click on this. Okay, and save it as receipts. So what I'm going to do now is, let's assume that that's the transaction receipts. I'll just come here and chat with him. Okay, then I would upload, I'm going to upload this receipt to him. Okay, to him. All right, so I don't want to do that now, but that's how to upload your receipts on the Binance app. So once this guy sees my receipt and he's online, then definitely he's going to send to me 466.95 USDT. Then I'll just see a notification on my mobile app that that amount of money has been sent to my Binance account. So that means then once I send money to him, I'm going to click on transfer next. Transfer next will allow Binance to notify him wherever he is that, okay, come on guys, someone has already paid you. Okay, now go to your mobile app now. It's going to receive a text message. Go to your mobile app now and release the funds to him. Okay, so that is how to use the Binance peer-to-peer trading platform if you are doing that through mobile app. And I've also uploaded a video, on how to go about this if you are using a PC. Okay, at least if you're interacting directly with the website. So I made a tutorial using a PC for you, and the link to that video is going to be on the video description of this video description. Okay, so but if you're a mobile app user, that is also how to go about it. So it is quite easy and convenient to use the Binance peer-to-peer on the mobile app. Okay, so see you in another video, in a different tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you how to use a smart trading bot, okay, to make so much profit for yourself, a kind of passive income for yourself in the crypto ecosystem. Okay, so see you in that tutorial. Bye for now.